A satellite is in an orbit around the Earth if its kinetic energy is doubled. So if its kinetic energy is doubled, so we know that its escape velocity is nothing but root 2 times of its orbital velocity. So kinetic energy is doubled. That means we can just consider that initial kinetic energy was something like let's say half into m into v naught square. Now if you are increasing the value of kinetic energy by 2 times, so we can say that kinetic energy final is equal to half into m into v naught, or take it as v dash square, is 2 times of initial kinetic energy half into m into v naught square. So we can observe that this half over here, half m and m get cancelled. So the value of v dash square becomes equal to 2 times of v naught square, or the value of v dash becomes equal to root 2 times of orbital velocity. That means basically we increase the value of orbital velocity by root 2 times. That means we reach a velocity that is equal to escape velocity. So definitely this satellite is going to escape. So it will escape out of a gravitational field. Or we can explain the same thing in another way. That is, we know that the value of its total energy is nothing but minus of gmm divided by 2r0. And if you are increasing its kinetic energy by 2 times, so that means we have a kinetic energy of gmm by 2r0. Again we increases the value by gmm divided by 2r0. Then the value of total energy becomes equal to 0. That is a condition for escape velocity. So we can say that definitely this satellite will escape out of Earth gravitational field.